this is the topic today I'm going to talk about, and it's a very interesting and cool technique. So today I'm going to share all the details about it, and also I'm going to show you that how you can use it. If you add this in your daily life routine, it will help you to improve your English a lot. So hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha and I share my English speaking journey here. So if you are also learning English and going through the same phase as me, then this channel is for you. So yesterday I was just scrolling Instagram and then I found this website. Like I found a video, I saw a video and I really liked that video, that how he was like, there is a man and he was practicing with this website, okay, and I really liked that. So I opened the comment section and read all the comments so that I can get the website name, and I got it. And then I searched on the Google about that website and I really like that. So I thought let's share with you also. And yesterday I practiced a little, but today I'm going to show you, and this is also my first day, and whatever I found for me for my English speaking journey, I always share that in this channel. So that's why I already mentioned a lot, and I always mention that if you are same phase with me, you can subscribe to my channel, because whenever I found something interesting or whenever I found something very helpful, always I share that in my channel. So that will really help you a lot, as that helped me. So yeah, that is that app. So today I'm going to practice it in front of you, and today I'm going to show you how I use it. So this website name is, I'm going to mention it over here, and this website name is Unprompt Cool. Okay, you can search on Google, and at first, now don't go now, okay, at first watch the full video, because if you miss the steps that how you can practice, or the steps how you should practice, you will miss the whole thing. So don't skip this video, search after watching this video. Now just look at here, give your full focus on me and my laptop and the whole thing on the video, okay. So at first you just need to here is my light is here, so maybe the light reflects on my laptop, so please ignore that. And here we got the topic, right? Traffic light. So we all know about traffic light. So now we are going to searching for a new topic. I will add the screen recording on this video so that you can understand better. And I'm using my laptop because I don't have another phone. You can use your phone, because with my phone, by my phone I'm recording, so you can use your phones. So the step number 1 is, you just need to go on Google application and you just need to search there Unprompt Cool, okay, Unprompt Cool, and search Unprompt Cool, okay. After that a website appears, and then there is two buttons are there which you are going to use. The first one is spin, where you can spin new words, new topics, and right side of the spin button you can find a timer option, 1 minute timer option. So after you will research about that topic, you can start the timer and you have to say for 1 minute about that topic. So this is the rule of using this method, okay. Okay, so the topic is junk drawer. What is it? I can't even read it. Junk drawer, DRAWER. What is it? I don't know. Let's search it. So let me just open ChatGPT and then I will read about it. Oh my god, they are very shouting. They are patients, and my grandfather is doctor, so they came here to treatment, and they are giving me trauma. So number 1, what is JUNK? Junk, DRAWER. Okay, I think I need to, like after recording, I need to remove the sound because they are literally shouting. You came to take medicines. Bhai, take medicines. Why are you gossiping with my grandfather? They are gossiping about their home. Listen, they're talking about their sasural and all. At first, I just want to tell you that it is not drawer or something like that. It is junk drawer, like that drawer, okay? And after realizing that this is not drawer, it is drawer, I really accept that still I am very weak in English. So yeah. Also, it I did not know. This is the word, this is the topic that I did not know before. So, as I know now that what is it, still I'm going to research about it, and now I'm going to tell approx 1 minute, sorry, my bad, approx 1 minute about it, because this is the rule and I can break it. So yeah, let me just read it, okay? Junk drawer is a small drawer in a home where we keep various. So now it's time to start the timer. Junk drawer is a drawer we can found in every single home easily, and it is where we kept our small little things in it, like keys, stationaries, and especially we girls used to kept lipstick, liners, and rubber bands and clips, everything, like every little small things. And it is not even fully organized, it is very unorganized, and it is very messy, because I'm telling you from my personal experience that whatever I found on my table, I used to pick up and put in junk drawer. This is what I do, and I think you also can relate with me that we usually do it. So it is not fully organized, and but if we organized it, it will be very helpful for our little small things, like we can use it to like kept our makeup products, and also like little more things, like oh my god, my focus was fully on the timer, that when will it stops, okay? So leave it. This is my first day, and I hope that I will do best, because day by day you can find so many words, and if you practice every single day to talk about a topic, it will really help you, and you also trust in this process that it will really help you. So yeah, stick with me. I will share a series over it that I like on this topic, because not mention series that like this is series 1, series 2. I'm going to share parts of it because I'm going to practice it in my daily routine. I'm going to add it in my daily routine and practice regularly, because I found this very helpful. So yeah, that is the whole information about this topic, and I hope you really found this video helpful, and you should practice it every single day as I will do. And I will also post Instagram shorts about it whenever I practice. If I can't upload long videos on this topic, I will definitely upload short videos on this topic. So for that, you have to follow my Instagram channel and also my YouTube shorts for this update. And if you want me to record long videos on this, like on this topic, on this method, you can comment down so that I can know what you want from me. So yeah, that is all for today. If you found this video helpful, and if you really found this video interesting, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos like this. And yeah, that is all. Bye bye. I will see you in the next one.